Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to prepare the rounded bouquet. This is a special bouquet because it's a proposal bouquet. So this is just the beginning of everything. Um, the bouquet is gonna be rounded, and I'm gonna use a holder bouquet. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me show you right now. Okay, this is the holder that I need to be working with. Before I move working with the holder, I will show you how I need to prepare the flowers that I will be using for this bouquet. Let me put it here. Okay, I have to use the green cymbidium. The green cymbidium comes in just one stems, one long stems. I don't know if you can see here. Those are the points where I cut the flowers, because I have to cut by one by one, and then I have to put in a small piece of stick, green stick. That is a florist green stick. Why I do that? Well, that's first of all, that's the way that it's worked for me, but it doesn't mean that it maybe work for you. If you have another idea to be working and using these flowers, go ahead. But when I start working with the cymbidium and these kind of holders, it was very complicated because the flowers start falling. So I cannot have that risk. I decided to cut by one and attach this little piece of glue. I don't know if you can see, one extreme is flat, and the other has a diagonal cut. So this is the way the green stick come. So what will I do? Because he has his own cut and in one extreme, but the other one is flat, I don't want to trash the whole piece just using the extreme. So what I do is I cut in this way, and then I cut the second one in diagonal, so I can have, for one piece of green stick, I can have three. And then you have to cut as many as you need, depending on the number of the flowers that you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 2 more, but I need to use another flower that's gonna be big, so I guess with this is enough. I'm gonna start to, I need 2 more. Now I have to proceed to attach the wooden piece to the flower. Get always ready the tape. They have to be short pieces of tape. It is really easy. The flower was in water 24 hours. The orchids really can hold the water in a very good way. I try to not cover this extreme, because this part of the flowers, this part of the stem is gonna be touching the oasis, and that's the way they're gonna keep taking water. Well, this is the cymbidium, is the main piece, is the main flower. Let me start working with it. This is pink cushion. It's a tropical flower, so obviously the orchid is a tropical flower as well. The stem, it is very, very important. Now I have to use this parakeet. The other flowers that she want to have are more orchids. This is mocara. I have to add this mocara. It's gonna be basically the same work that I have to do here. I have to put the blue dendrobium. I have the feeling that this is too many. It's done. Tomorrow I have to wrap it up, the stem. Aha! Whoa, I see a hole. Oopsie, sorry. Sorry. Let me see. Yes. Down. Yes. It's perfect. She's gonna love it. Done. I really like it. Well, this is it. I have to put the ribbon tomorrow and then wait for the results. And when I say the result, I'm talking about the feelings of the bride. It's not gonna be bride, it's bride to be, but she doesn't know anything yet. So I'll let you know soon. You will know better than me. You will know faster than me. I have to wait until tomorrow and put this in this bouquet in a safety place. Thank you. See you later. You like it? I do. Bye. Hi there. Here I again. Okay, I made this bouquet yesterday, like at noon, and now is 10:15 a.m. So it has passed almost 24 hours. And I want to show you how it's look. Let me see. I have to grab it from here. Okay, I see a flower that has fall. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, it look very well. Perfect. So what I have to do now is just wrap the stems. And I already plugged my glue gun, and I brought my scissor and my ribbon. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is removing this tape and this glove that I used to protect the pearl tape that I wrap it up in the holder. The gun is hot, I can smell it. Yes, I'm gonna put just one small line of glue in the back. I will put in this way and a holder, and to be sure the glue is cold. You see, I'm leaving just a little portion because I want to make it neat. Okay, yes. This is complicated because you have to start to wrapping the ribbon, and sometimes this is wire ribbon. It makes some wrinkle, and I don't like to have those wrinkles. Okay, this is it. The next steps, that's the most complicated. I have to cut the ribbon. That's why my scissors are always bad, because I use the same scissor to cut the wire, the paper, the fabric, the ribbon, everything. Even sometimes I cut flowers. Okay, this is it. Be careful with your fingers. Use the tip of the same glue gun to press down the ribbon. Okay, I'm gonna use this stick because it has been burned so many times with this glue gun that, oh my goodness. Okay, this is it. It's done. I want to use these flowers to cover. The orchid flowers is a very gentle flower, very loyal flower. You can use with glue gun and cover these parts that I don't like it too much. Concentrate. Okay, you see, all the ugly parts has been covered. Even this is not important because when I put the bouquet here, probably some of the flowers is gonna get some damage, but that is not the important part of the bouquet. This is the important part. Actually, no, the important part of the bouquet is the bride. This is just a compliment. Okay, now I have to wait for the fiancé come to pick up the bouquet. Do you like it? I think it's look nice, right? Well, something different. Okay, leave your comments, and when the fiancé came to pick the bouquet, I'll let you know what he said. Okay, thank you. Bye.